Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Tempo Trails by DR Horton. This is a townhouse community. Now in this video, we are going to be touring the plan 1309, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is DR Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas or you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. All right, everyone. So today is September 24, 2024. And today we are going to be touring Tempo Trails by DR Horton. This is a townhouse community that recently just opened up. Now we're located here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. The nearest cross streets is going to be Blue Diamond and Decatur. So really close to the freeway entrance, the 15 freeway entrance. Takes about 12 to 15 minutes to get to the airport and the strip. Great area. There's also so many stores and restaurants close by, mostly on Blue Diamond. But yeah, guys, I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer two floor plans here, ranging from 1,309 square feet to 1,410 square feet. Prices are also ranging from $382 all the way up to $398. Now, that's just the prices today, okay? But they are subject to change later on as well. They usually get more expensive later on. These are both going to be 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-story, 2-car garages. Okay. Now the way DR Horton builds is they are a spec builder. So what you see is what you get. Everything you see inside these model homes is pretty much included except for the furniture and the accent walls. So you'll even have the refrigerator, washer, dryer, and the blinds. Okay. And by the time you get into contract as well, you only have to wait about 30 to 45 days before you actually close on your house. Okay. So a couple things about the community. It's a pretty large community, 222 homes here. They're gonna have a pool right over here. Okay, so this is gonna be the pool right in the front of the community. HOA is $98 a month. It is not gated. So the HOA is gonna cover like the pool and just the, the maintenance of the outside over here. And yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. All right, welcome everyone to the plan 1309. Now, this is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story, 2-car garage, and the price as of today is $381,990. Okay, so remember, prices are always subject to change. Normally, after they sell like a few lots and they release new lots the next month or a few weeks, base prices can go up. Okay. So again, DR Horton, what you see is what you get. Video doorbell is included. Okay, so welcome in. All right, so you got this open layout. Now you do have a 8-foot ceiling. Okay. So yeah, very open. Refrigerator, washer and dryer, and blinds are included. So these curtains, this furniture, the accent walls, that's not included. It'll just be like you'll have the flat white paint. Okay, that's the finish. And then you'll have the white semi-gloss finish in the wet area. So that's like the bathroom and the kitchen. All right. And then also the blinds. So at every window, what comes included is you'll have like the 2-inch Foxwood blinds. So right over here, you're gonna have your powder room. Now we'll have your kitchen right here. Okay, this is gonna be the door to your garage. Now, usually DR Horton, they switch the countertops. It's usually gonna be this gray countertop, or it could be like a white one. Sometimes they'll have like gray cabinets. white cabinets. Those are usually the two colors that they rotate. Townhouse community, no gas. Okay, you're gonna have an electric. It's gonna be electric stovetop oven. Okay, you're gonna have a Whirlpool appliance package that includes, the oven, the microwave, the refrigerator, and the dishwasher. Also the washer and dryer. Okay. So yeah, remember, most new builds, they do not include the refrigerator, washer, and dryer. So usually when you move into a new build community, you do have to buy those things at the store. Usually those things could cost you like $5,000. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer, and blinds, maybe even like $6,000. Okay, so this is the refrigerator that you would get. Nice Whirlpool. Okay. As you can see with the microwaves, see it vents outwards. Okay. Yeah, and it's very open right here. I think these townhomes would make pretty good investments as well. Yeah, because just because of the location. So, I mean, it's, you're about literally 12 to 15 minutes away from Las Vegas Airport and the Strip. Easy access to the freeway. So, this would be a good investment opportunity. Again, this is $381,990. Okay, so when you walk upstairs, you'll have your primary bedroom right here and your two guest beds. So the major difference between like the 1309 floor plan and the 1410 is most of that square footage is going to be at that loft. So if you're looking for a loft upstairs, definitely the 1410 is for you. If you don't need a loft, the 1309 is probably your best option. So it's 8-foot ceilings upstairs too. So upstairs and downstairs, 8 foot. This is your bedroom. I would say this is probably, I'd say this room is going to be like a 10 by 10, maybe a 10 by 11. See, as you can see, again, they're going to build 222 homes. So look at all that dirt lot right there. Now, if you're watching this video and you're interested in new construction, guys, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would love to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that is okay too. I respect that. Just make sure you bring your realtor with you on your very first visit. Just because if you go there by yourself, builder agent's going to ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Once they have that, they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation. Again, the new build agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So, we hold the builders accountable. We know when's the right time to negotiate with the builders. So, we've been through this process so many times. So I think it's very important that everybody gets their own guide. Okay, so it's going to be the full bath, shower tub combo, fiberglass. Okay. So here you're going to have your sink. Okay, quartz countertop. You got the drop-in sink, Moen faucet. And then you'll have your laundry room right here. Okay. Again, that is included. Right. You also have your attic access right up there. This is going to be the thermostat that controls the upstairs temperature. So welcome to the primary bedroom. So we have the primary bedroom. Bed area is going to be right there. Then you have its own, full bath, of course. Okay. You're going to get your single sink, toilet, and then walk-in shower. All right, so that is a king size bed. So plenty of room. Again, this community is going to have plenty of parking space. Okay, so the Spectrum Trails, which they sold out of that community not too long ago, that was like a couple blocks away, but they didn't have that much guest parking in their community. So, you know, this community, they have more guest parking. Cool, and this is the walk-in closet. Also your smart panel box. So, you know, again, this is where you'd have your internet router and your modem. All right, that's it for the 1309. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you guys have any questions, you're curious to know what the incentives are, you're looking for a guide, don't hesitate to reach out to me. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.